NVIDIA has been hiding the hotspot sensors on their RTX 50 series GPUs ever since they came out, but as of today, we can finally bypass that restriction and read the actual thermals. Here's why hotspot temperatures are so important. A Brazilian tech channel using NVIDIA's internal monitoring tools caught an RTX 5070 Ti secretly thermal throttling. The monitoring tools reported a perfectly safe 73 degrees Celsius when stress testing, but the hidden hotspot temperature is sitting at 106 degrees. Without that hotspot data, we are flying blind. Your core temperatures and power draw might look fine on the surface, but if the hotspot hits the 107 degree limit, the silicon will still thermal throttle. Now, to check if your 50 series card is suffering from a poor factory paste job, you need the latest release of HWMonitor. The link is in description. You must download version 1.65 because the hotspot telemetry has just been added in this version. Once installed, scroll down to your GPU sensors. You will see the previously logged readouts, hotspot 1 and 2. Now press F5 to start logging the data and fire up a heavy benchmark like Steel Nomad and watch the delta between your core and hotspot temperatures. If that gap exceeds 25 to 30 degrees Celsius, the GPU is likely suffering from a poor thermal paste job. But repasting a GPU voids most warranties. Your immediate fix is undervolting the graphics card to make it draw less power and lower that hotspot temperature. To do that, you'll need MSI Afterburner. Again, links in the description. Open it up and let's set up a custom curve in the curve editor. Just hold shift and highlight every dot past 950 mV and drag the curve all the way down to the bottom. If you want to undervolt even further, you can grab everything past 900 as well, but just a heads up, that does sacrifice a bit more performance. However, I wouldn't recommend dropping below 900 unless you're rocking a 5090. Other cards in the 50 series just lose too much performance under 900 mV. Next, select the points above your 900 mV cutoff and drag them up by 300 MHz. These 50 series cards can usually handle that offset without breaking a sweat. Now you can close the window, save your settings and hit apply. And just like that, you have undervolted the GPU. You keep your performance, but most importantly, you bring that hotspot temperature way down. Running these cards at their thermal limit leads to a quicker silicon degradation. In this case, it's even worse because you had no idea about the hotspot figures and you thought that your GPU is running just fine. The reason why NVIDIA logged this telemetry is a question they will need to answer. But until then, keep your hotspot temperatures low. I'll catch you in the next one. Next out.